All right, USAJaguars.com here with senior middle blocker Olivia Moeller. Olivia is one of the seniors on the club. You're now in your final collegiate season. How would you, in your opinion, say the season's gone to this point?
I think it's going really well. We set goals in preseason. Some of those we met, some of those we didn't. We've done the same with conference now that we're starting, and the team's looking great. Personally, I think I started off really well, kind of got rocky there for a little while, and Kata and I weren't connecting, but I think it's coming back and looking great for entering conference play.
Now, playing under new coach this season, first of all, how has it been to play under the new system, and then how's the transition been for you?
It's been great for me. I know personally it's been easier because we had the semester, the spring semester with the new coaches, but I think the system is awesome and it's working for us, and when we do it, it works. We win games, so it's applying it and doing it more often that we have to work on now.
Now, also as a senior, how have you embraced the leadership role this year?
I think I've embraced it well. I think Coach mentioned I'm kind of an emotional leader. I like to take that role, and I think I need to step more into the physical role and step up in that category.
Now, you've been steadily climbing a couple of the career lists in the blocks category. What are some of the things that you try to focus on defensively at the net?
Exactly what the coaches tell me, pressing over and dropping my inside hand. If I can focus on doing that, then I will continue to climb the ladder on blocks.
You mentioned about you all have some team goals. Now you're heading into conference play. What are some of your expectations and goals for the team?
Honestly, I expect us to be more consistent. Like I said before, when we do it, it's good. And there's so much potential on this team this year, and like you said, it being my last year, I just really think that if as a team, if we come together and apply what the coaches are teaching us, then we'll be successful.
All right, thank you, Olivia, and good luck the rest of the year.
Thanks, Coach Hags.